Hi, good morning guys. Today I'm going to teach you how to turn off the timestamp on the SJCAM 5000X Elite. I'm going to show you an example of a video that has a timestamp after we turn it off. So now, let's say I would like to turn it on. So I just need to double click this button, this mode. So first it will be on auto mode, and after that it will be on the settings mode. So yep, after that look for setup, which is the last options that you have on that. So you just need to click this means okay, so click that. So you just need to look for timestamp. Yep, that's it, timestamp. So you need to click OK. So as you can see, it's off right now. So if I would like to turn it on, I just need to click OK. But I want to take example of one of my first videos that has a timestamp. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.